can see my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for me. I've been flying from town to town.
Ori expandable apartments are transforming the way we think about city living by ingeniously combining functionality, technology, and space efficiency into one dynamic environment. These futuristic apartments offer an entirely new approach to maximizing limited urban space through the use of robotic, motorized walls that glide smoothly on tracks. With the touch of a button or voice command, a single open studio can instantly transform into a one-bedroom or even two-bedroom setup, providing true flexibility without the need for additional square footage. This innovation allows residents to adapt their homes throughout the day, perhaps a cozy bedroom at night that opens up into a spacious living area by day. Beyond the movable walls, the units are equipped with space-saving built-in furniture that folds away or conceals when not in use, making every inch of the apartment functional and clutter-free. For instance, beds can disappear into walls, desks can slide into closets, and seating can retract or expand based on your needs. These apartments come loaded with smart features, including voice-controlled lighting, climate settings, and the ability to operate wall and furniture configurations via a dedicated mobile app. Currently available in forward-thinking cities like New York, Los Angeles, and Miami, Ori's expandable living concept is expected to roll out in more urban areas in the near future. Ideal for young professionals, remote workers, or anyone seeking a flexible, minimalist lifestyle, Ori apartments represent the future of adaptive housing. They provide not only comfort and innovation, but also financial efficiency by offering more functionality without the premium price of extra square footage. It's intelligent living reimagined for the evolving demands of city life. The Orico Home Lift reimagines what a residential elevator can be, blending functionality with modern elegance to create a sophisticated solution for in-home mobility. Far from being just a practical utility, this lift is a design centerpiece that adds both aesthetic charm and convenience to any home. It features sleek glass walls, a wide range of color options, and high-quality materials that can be customized to suit your personal taste and interior decor. Its compact footprint is especially valuable in smaller homes, making it possible to enjoy multi-floor accessibility without sacrificing precious living space. The Home Lift is more than just stylish, it's also technologically advanced. With its integrated design light feature, users can adjust the ambience of the lift using the Orico Smart Lift app, adding a dynamic visual element to its already appealing design. Safety is of utmost importance, and the lift includes automatic door sensors, an emergency stop function, and a smart safety system to ensure secure usage. Operating the lift is seamless thanks to its innovative smart control interface, which resembles a steering wheel and offers intuitive navigation between floors. Available in multiple sizes and configurations, the Orico Home Lift is designed to accommodate a variety of needs, from compact platforms for individual users to spacious versions suitable for wheelchairs or families. Optional features like the customizable design wall can transform the lift into a personal art gallery, making it not only a mobility aid, but also a luxury lifestyle upgrade. The pivot bed is a truly innovative fusion of comfort and functionality, perfectly suited for those living in compact spaces who don't want to compromise on health and fitness. More than just a piece of furniture, it transforms your bedroom into a personal gym, allowing you to stay active without stepping outside or needing a separate workout area. Its clever modular design enables a smooth transition from a traditional sleeping space into a full-fledged fitness station. Made from strong steel components, it provides a sturdy foundation for a variety of exercises, whether you're doing pull-ups, dips, or resistance training. A unique highlight is the bed's vertical pivot feature, which allows you to mount various workout attachments like pull-up bars, mirrors, or dip handles, effectively turning your bed frame into a customized training rig. Some configurations even offer built-in storage compartments under the mattress, making it easy to keep dumbbells, resistance bands, or yoga mats neatly tucked away, but always within reach. This combination of utility and space-saving design is perfect for apartment dwellers, students, or anyone looking to blend comfort with fitness at home. While it offers incredible benefits, it's important to note the pivot bed does require a bit of planning. Its upright positioning and attachments need sufficient ceiling clearance, and initial setup may involve a bit of technical assembly. Additionally, it's an investment, more costly than a standard bed or entry-level home gym gear. But for fitness-minded individuals who value convenience and innovation, it's a game changer. The pivot bed represents the future of multifunctional living, empowering users to maintain an active lifestyle right in their own bedroom. The Ecovacs GOAT G1 is a next-generation robotic lawn mower that revolutionizes yard care through its advanced smart technology and wire-free operation. Unlike traditional robotic mowers that require buried boundary wires, the GOAT G1 uses light detection and ranging (LiDAR) technology, combined with onboard cameras, to accurately define and navigate your lawn's perimeter with minimal setup. At the heart of its performance is the True Mapping Multi-Fusion Localization System, which integrates various sensors to create a detailed and precise map of your lawn. This allows for highly efficient mowing patterns, guided by intelligent path planning that analyzes your yard's layout to optimize coverage and reduce mowing time and energy usage. Equipped with AV 3D obstacle avoidance, the GOAT G1 can detect and navigate around real-world objects such as trees, flower beds, pets, and toys, reducing the risk of damage or getting stuck. Its real-time adaptive navigation ensures a smooth and thorough cut across diverse lawn terrains. Not only does it enhance convenience and efficiency, but it also contributes to greener lawn care by operating quietly and without emissions. The Ecovacs GOAT G1 is ideal for tech-savvy homeowners looking for a smart, low-maintenance, and eco-friendly solution to lawn mowing. The home awareness system represents a bold step forward in redefining residential security by combining artificial intelligence, aerial surveillance, and real-time responsiveness into one integrated solution. At the heart of the system is Bee, an autonomous drone designed to act as a self-flying security agent. When motion, vibration, or unusual activity is detected, Bee springs into action, flying to the area of concern to capture live video and provide a detailed aerial perspective that far surpasses traditional fixed security cameras. Supporting the drone are strategically placed sensors throughout the property, motion detectors, vibration sensors, and activity monitors that form an interconnected network constantly monitoring for unusual events. These devices work seamlessly with the system's AI engine, which analyzes all incoming data in real time. Over time, the AI learns the daily habits and patterns of the household, such as regular visitors, pet movements, or scheduled deliveries, and uses this contextual understanding to reduce false alarms and focus only on truly suspicious behavior. The system's intelligence is matched by its accessibility. Through a mobile app, homeowners can control the drone, review live video streams, receive immediate alerts, and even manually direct the drone to specific locations around their home, all from virtually anywhere in the world. Whether you're at work, on vacation, or simply away for the evening, the system gives you eyes in the sky and confidence on the ground. What sets the home awareness system apart isn't just its high-tech features, but the way it fuses them into a proactive, always-on guard that adapts and improves over time. It's not just security, it's peace of mind made smarter. The Molly Robotic Kitchen is a groundbreaking innovation that redefines the future of home cooking. Featuring robotic arms with 24 articulating joints and precise sensors, this intelligent system is capable of mimicking the exact movements of a skilled chef, from chopping and stirring to frying and plating, all within a sleek, fully integrated unit. Designed for convenience and culinary excellence, the Molly system includes pre-programmed recipes developed by professional chefs, or the option to record and replicate your own dishes. Ready-to-cook ingredient containers tailored for the robotic arms to handle with precision. Integrated smart kitchen appliances, including ovens, stovetops, and sinks, all working in sync with the robotic chef. A UV disinfection system that maintains a sterile cooking environment. Remote access via a mobile app, allowing users to start, monitor, or customize meals from anywhere. Whether you're a busy professional, tech enthusiast, or simply want gourmet meals without lifting a finger, the Molly Robotic Kitchen offers chef-quality food, total automation, and cutting-edge cleanliness. making it one of the most advanced and luxurious kitchen systems in the world. The Pero Gesture Control is a revolutionary wearable technology that is changing the way we interact with our electronic devices. Unlike traditional input devices, this small ring worn comfortably on the palm of your hand uses advanced sensors and sophisticated algorithms to accurately detect hand movements and convert them into commands. This innovation allows users to control various gadgets, such as computers, smartphones, tablets, and even drones with simple and intuitive gestures. One of the standout features of the Pero Ring is its gesture control capability, which lets you replace the need for a mouse or keyboard with natural hand motions for navigating on-screen tasks more efficiently. Users can also customize specific gestures to perform their preferred actions, making it a highly personalized tool that adapts to different workflows. Beyond versatility, Pero supports seamless connectivity to multiple devices via Bluetooth, giving you a universal control system for all your technology needs. The ring includes a thumb button that functions for left and right clicks and scrolling, enhancing its usability. Comfort is a priority in its design, as the ring is lightweight and ergonomically shaped to reduce fatigue, even when worn for extended periods. Overall, the Pero Gesture Control Ring boosts productivity by reducing desk clutter, improves accessibility for people with limited mobility, and opens up creative possibilities in how we interact with modern devices, making it a truly cutting-edge solution in wearable tech. Phantom Screens is a premier brand renowned for its high-quality retractable screen systems designed for doors, windows, patios, and balconies. Known for their superior durability and aesthetic appeal, these screens are crafted from premium materials, including aluminum frames, mesh fabrics, and stainless steel components, ensuring long-term performance and minimal wear and tear. Key features: retractable design. Patented systems offer smooth, quiet operation, disappearing out of sight when not in use. All-weather durability. Built to withstand sun, rain, and wind, making them ideal for diverse climates. Customizable options, available in a variety of sizes, colors, and styles, allowing for full integration with your home's architecture. Motorized or manual, choose between automated or hand-operated systems to suit your preferences and budget. Added protection, some models provide UV shielding, insect protection, and help improve energy efficiency by reducing heat and glare. Whether you want to create a more comfortable outdoor space, protect interiors from harsh sunlight, or enjoy bug-free evenings, Phantom Screens enhances both functionality and enjoyment, blending seamlessly into your home with style and innovation. The Gladiator Flex Cabinet System is a premium storage solution designed to transform any cluttered garage into an organized, efficient, and visually appealing workspace. Constructed from heavy-duty, 24-gauge steel, these cabinets are built to endure the wear and tear of daily use, making them ideal for tools, hardware, and other garage essentials. What sets them apart is their soft-close doors and drawers, which reduce noise and prevent damage from slamming, while the adjustable shelves offer flexible storage for a wide variety of items. With multiple configuration options, including wall-mounted and freestanding designs, the system can be tailored to meet your specific needs and garage layout. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, mechanic, or simply someone who values a tidy workspace, the Gladiator Flex cabinets provide both form and function. They come pre-assembled, saving time and hassle during installation, and are backed by a lifetime warranty, a testament to their durability and quality. In addition to utility, these cabinets enhance the overall aesthetic of your garage, giving it a sleek, professional look. They also protect your belongings from dust, moisture, and wear, making your garage not only more organized, but also more secure. Whether you're storing power tools, seasonal gear, or sports equipment, the Gladiator Flex Cabinet System offers a durable, customizable, and stylish solution to elevate your garage into a space you can be proud of.